In this video, we will learn how to check advanced properties of Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and click on the File tab, and here the click on the Info option. Okay, in Info, just click on the Properties, just drop down arrow, and you can see the option the Advanced Properties. See More Documents Properties. Just click on it. When you click on this option, you can see the properties dialog box is open. Sales data 3 property. Sales data 3 is a file name, the Excel file name. Okay, and then properties. So there are some tab here. In general tab, you can see the Excel file type. So file type here mentioned. So here the Microsoft Excel worksheet file type, location of this file C drive user admin documents, size also mentioned, same as created, when created, date and timing also mentioned, modified access also mentioned. Okay, in summary tab you can enter the title, subject, author, manager, company, and you can fill these properties for these documents. Okay, and click on OK to save this. Okay, after that you can see here title here showing add a title. When you add here, suppose I add here ABC. Okay, and click on OK, you can see here the title is ABC added. This way you can add the title, tags and categories of this Excel sheet. Just click on the third tab. You can see same as here also information mentioned, created date, time, modified date, time, accessed, printed. So all date and time here mentioned. In contents tab, you can see the worksheet, sheet number 1. Okay, only sheet 1 is in this Excel sheet have, therefore is showing the sheet 1. Okay, in custom tab, so you can custom here something. So there are some option to custom for this document properties. Okay, so this is a way you can check the file properties in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.